subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Google has finally launched its new smartphone globally called Pixel 7a with quite cool looking design. Now let's see the specifications of the smartphone. The Pixel 7a features a 6.1-inch Full HD Plus OLED display with up to 90Hz refresh rate support, and the screen on the top is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass 3. Under the hood, the phone is powered by Google's Tensor G2 chipset, paired with Mali G710 MP7 GPU. The smartphone packs with 8GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128GB of UFS 3.1 storage. As per the optics, the Pixel 7a supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 64MP main camera with f1.8 wide aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization for stable video recording, and there is 13MP ultra wide angle lens with 120° field of view. The rear cameras of the phone is capable of shooting 4K videos at 60 frames per second. For selfies, it has 13MP camera under the hole punch at the top center with f2.2 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 13 out of the box, and it is equipped by a large 4385 mAh battery with both wired and wireless fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP67 certified for dust and water resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 152 by 72.9 by 9mm, and it weighs around 193.5 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Pixel 7a has been priced globally as follows. The smartphone is now available for purchase in charcoal black, sea blue, and snow white color options. And there is also a special coral color variant which is exclusively available on Google Store. So what do you guys think of this Google Pixel 7a smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.